Hello dear students, I Rahul Mishra and today we will discuss general methods and mechanism of polymerization. It means in this lecture we will talk about what are the general methods and what will be the suitable mechanism which is involved during polymerization. It means क्या मैकेनिज्म इन्वॉल्व होती है जब कोई पॉलीमर बनता है या किसी पॉलीमराइजेशन रिएक्शन में. सो लिसन, फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन. सबसे पहले हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन में कौन सी मैकेनिज्म इन्वॉल्व होती है. सो लिसन हियर, एडिशन पॉलीमराइजेशन इन्वॉल्व्स सम टाइप ऑफ मैकेनिज्म एंड फर्स्ट ए टाइप ऑफ मैकेनिज्म इज free radical polymerization. This is also called as vinyl polymerization. So this mechanism involves three steps. First step is chain initiation step. So listen here, free radical mechanism, it is also called as vinyl mechanism or vinyl polymerization. And listen, in this mechanism polymer is obtained in the presence of initiator. It means this mechanism involves the use of initiator. It means इस mechanism में पॉलीमर बनता है किसके यूज करने पर, किसी इनिशिएटर के यूज करने पर. Listen, this initiator initiate polymerization reaction. इट मीन्स ये जो इनिशिएटर होता है ये पॉलीमराइजेशन की रिएक्शन को स्टार्ट करता है या इनिशिएट करता है या शुरुआत करता है. सो लिसन हियर, इन दिस मैकेनिज्म 3 स्टेप्स आर इन्वॉल्व्ड. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप इज चेन इनिशिएशन स्टेप. पहला जो स्टेप होता है इस मैकेनिज्म का वो चेन इनिशिएशन स्टेप होता है. सो लिसन, इन दिस स्टेप benzoyl peroxide initiator whose formula is C6H5COO OCO C6H5. So this is the formula of benzoyl peroxide initiator. And listen, you can see there is peroxide linkage, so this is called as benzoyl peroxide. So in this initiator there is breaking of peroxide linkage and it will form two initiator radicals. Now these two initiator radical will form two phenyl radical and listen, 2 CO2 molecule, 2 phenyl radical and 2 CO2 molecule. Listen, in this step there is breaking of this bond due to which it will form O dot O, means there will be bonding. It means this will be CO2 and this will be C2C6H5 dot, because we can understood it from when this bond get break, then one electron here and one electron here. So one electron and one electron will make single bond. So this will become C double bond O. This will become C double bond O and C double bond O. C double bond O, C double bond O. This will be the structure of CO2. So there will be formation of CO2 and there will also be formation of 2 phenyl radical. Now this phenyl radical reacts with ethylene monomer and it initiate polymerization reaction. ये जो इनिशिएटर है फेनिल रेडिकल, इनिशिएटर का पार्ट, ये क्या करता है, एथिलीन मोनोमर से रिएक्ट करके पॉलीमराइजेशन की रिएक्शन को स्टार्ट करता है एंड इट विल फॉर्म अ न्यू रेडिकल, और एक नया रेडिकल बनाता है. नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप ऑफ फ्री रेडिकल polymerization is chain propagation. It means chain propagation means there is प्रोपोगेशन ऑफ पॉलीमरिक चेन, इट मीन्स यहाँ पर जो पॉलीमर की चेन है वो बढ़ती जाएगी, प्रोपोगेट करेगी। नाउ लिसन दिस इज अ न्यू रेडिकल ऑब्टेन्ड इन द फाइनल स्टेप ऑफ step 1, and this new radical reacts with ethylene monomer and it propagate the polymeric chain. This reaction occurs n-1 time and it will form this new radical. Now last step is chain termination step. It is clear from its name, chain termination means यहाँ चेन पॉलीमरिक चेन जो होती है वो टूट जाती है। So listen how polymeric chain get break. So listen here. There are two new radical molecule from the second step reacts with each other. It means two new same radical molecules which are obtained in the second step of this mechanism. It means we are talking about this new radical and we are talking about the reaction of their two molecules. It means अगर हम इस नए रेडिकल के दो मॉलिक्यूल ले लें, then listen here, at corner there will be CH2 dot in first and CH2 dot in second. Now these CH2 dot and this CH2 dot will form a single bond. It means polymeric chain will get block. It means यहाँ पर polymeric chain आगे propagate होना बंद हो जाएगी because of there is formation of a single bond in this manner. So listen, this is the chain termination step. It means यहाँ चेन हमारी प्रोपोगेट करना बंद हो जाएगी, पॉलीमेरिक चेन हमारी जो है वो आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी. So this step is called as chain termination step. Now this was the free radical mechanism and it involves 3 steps. Now we will discuss second mechanism, conjugated diene mechanism, and we have already discussed it in the previous videos. So listen, in this mechanism we all know that butadiene is taken. This is a conjugate diene because double bonds are present at first position and at third position. It means this is alternate position. So when alternate double bonds are present, then this diene is called as conjugated diene. Then this diene is called as conjugated diene. And we all know that in case of polymerization of conjugated diene, double bond get changes into single. Double bond get changes into single and single bond get changes into double. So we have already discussed it. And listen, this is the initiator radical and it will react with this CH2, so it will form RCH2. So when polymerization occurs, then there will be whole of N. Now there are 2 cases. It is very important. There are 2 cases. We only see second and third carbon. हम किसको देखते हैं? केवल दूसरी और तीसरी कार्बन को. Where double bond is present. So this is carbon second and this is carbon third. And listen, third carbon contain RCH2 group, and third carbon contain this hydrogen also. Third carbon contain 1 hydrogen also and 1 RCH2 group. So 1 hydrogen and 1 RCH2 group. Now we will talk about second carbon. So in case of second carbon, we can see second carbon is attached by 1 hydrogen. So 1 hydrogen, this is second carbon, and it is also attached by CH2 group. So this is CH2 group. So second carbon is attached by one hydrogen and one CH2 group. So listen, when two hydrogen are to same group lies in same side, when same group lies in same side, same group lies in same side, it means जब समान ग्रुप समान तरफ लाई करें तो उस फॉर्म को कहते हैं then that form is called as cis form, then that form is called as cis form. But when same group lies in the opposite side of double bond, अगर same group double bond के opposite side में लाई करेंगे, it means they are called as, this form is called as trans form, TRANS, this form is called as trans form. So listen, when same group lies in the same side of double bond, it means जब same group double bond के एक ही तरफ लाई करें तो इसे cis form कहते हैं. And when same group means hydrogen lies in the opposite side of double bond, then this is called as trans form. So we can see here, यहाँ हाइड्रोजन सेम साइड में लाई कर रहा है, बट यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन एक अप है तो दूसरा डाउन है डबल बॉन्ड के रिस्पेक्ट में. सो लिसन, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज सिस फॉर्म एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज ट्रांसफॉर्म. एंड लास्ट फाइनल मैकेनिज्म, listen here, second type of mechanism involved in polymerization is mechanism of condensation polymerization. So we all know that condensation polymerization involve the removal of small molecule. We all know that H2O, HCl, CH3OH, NH3, etc. So listen, in case of condensation polymerization, monomers should be bi or polyfunctional. It means monomer में दो functional group होने चाहिए. जैसे for example, in this case, this is hexamethylene diamine. So there are two functional group. There are two functional group. This NH2 and this NH2. So this is bifunctional. So this is bifunctional. So listen here. We can understood by taking an example of nylon 6,6, nylon 6, 6. So in this mechanism we can see there is elimination of H2O molecule and there is elimination of water molecule. So there will be elimination of 2NH2O molecule. There will be elimination of 2NH2O molecule. But listen, this is a step by step process. So one molecule react with one molecule, so there will be elimination of only single H2O molecule. Now this will be your product because there will be elimination of only H2O molecule from here. So NH is directly attached with CO, so this linkage will be obtained. Now in this mechanism, next step is reaction with hexamethylene diamine again. It means जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट बना है इसकी रिएक्शन दोबारा किससे करा देंगे, हेक्सामेथिलीन डाइएमीन से. नाउ वी कैन से दिस इज डाइमर and in next step there will again elimination of H2O and there will be formation of trimer. Now reaction if occurs n time, then there will be formation of polymer. So this will be the condensation polymerization and it is very important. There will be elimination of small molecules like H2O, HCl, CH3OH, NH3, etc.